embedded systems with C. Let's unlock the secrets to writing efficient code that saves time, space, and power. Hi, and welcome to Analytics Insight. And today we are diving into the best practices for using C in embedded systems where memory is tight, performance is crucial, and every byte counts. If you're working with microcontrollers or developing firmware, these tips will help you optimize your code and avoid costly mistakes. So let's start with optimizing for memory and performance. In embedded systems, resources are limited, so your code needs to be lean and efficient. That means minimizing memory usage by optimizing loops, functions, and even variable declaration. It's all about keeping your code light to ensure it runs smoothly on devices with restricted memory. Next up is fixed point arithmetic. While floating point calculations may be tempting, they are often too slow and resource heavy for embedded systems. By switching to fixed point arithmetic, you will not only speed up your code but also conserve precious processing power. In embedded systems, efficiency is the king. Now, a golden rule: prioritize profitability. You never know when your code may need to be transferred to another hardware platform, so avoid hardware specific features that could trap your code in a particular environment. Stick to standard libraries and write code that can easily move across different platforms, saving you from future headaches. Another key practice is defensive programming. Embedded systems often run in unpredictable environments, so you need to anticipate errors, implement strong error checking, validate your inputs, and make sure your system is protected against buffer overflows. This ensures your code can handle unexpected events without crashing. Finally, let's talk about leveraging interrupts efficiently. Interrupts are essential for handling time-sensitive tasks, but there is a catch. If your interrupt service routines are too long, they can delay the rest of your system. Keep them short and to the point for smooth system performance. And that's a wrap on best practices for using C in embedded systems. Follow these tips and your code will be ready for the toughest environments. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Analytics Insight for more such content, and I'll see you in the next one.